back, it's your girl Nancy here again, and I'm back with a brand new video. If you're new to this channel, make sure you subscribe, like, share, comment, and click on the notification button to get notified whenever we post. Now, some of you have been asking me, where is the tutorial for permission to dance? And see, I'm just your guardian angel, because right now I'm here with that tutorial. So let's get into this video. So the first thing that we are going to be learning is the snap out. So you want to lean, and like your whole weight should be on your left leg and then your right. So your right is what you're tapping. So you're tapping 1, 2, 3 levels, down, middle, up, and then you're going to snap your hands and then you're going to go 1, 2, 3. Cool? Let's try that again. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and again. Let's go. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2. Did you get it? So when you do 1, 2, 3, and is your right leg, left leg, and then right leg. Now this video is mirrored, so just do as you're seeing me doing it. Yeah. So 1, tap on your right on 1, tap on 2, tap on 3, lift right on 4, left on 5, right on 6. Cool? Let's put that to the song. When you look yourself right, the next phase we want to do, you ended up here. Now you want to step, and move. Just this. Get used to this. Get used to this. Hop, and then hop. Now you want to add your knees. So you hop on your right, and then you pull your left knee up. So pull and snap. Cool? So this, snap. This, snap. This way. That's how it is. So you want to step on your right, step, hop, and snap, step, hop, and snap. From here, you want to step your right leg to the back, take it to the back, hands at the back of your ear, music like you're listening to a song. So here you want to roll, sit, hit, and then roll out, and then tap. Let's go. 5, 6, 7, and 1, and 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. Let's try it again. 5, 6, 7, and 1, and 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. When you tap here, you're going to bring your right leg out, your hands here, body switch. Let me do that again. Here, hands out with your right leg, and then you're going to switch. So ball change this way, and then step here, switch this way. Let's try it again from the top. 5, 6, 7, and 1, and 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. 1, and 2, 3, and 4. The next thing you want to do is slide round, like take it round. Take your right legs around, and then your finger goes this way. Cool? So this way. So when you do 1, and 2, 3, and 4, down. Let's put it together and let's add the song. Did you get that one? Did you get it? If it's too fast for you, make sure you can reduce the speed so you can learn it more properly. But either ways, let's move on because I know you got it at home. All right, let's go. So the next, immediately you do this, there is a 1, 2, in case you want to switch with a partner or anything, but there's 2 counts for you to move to whatever positions you want to go to. So you just did this, and then you did this. You want to move 1, 2. Next thing you want to do is glide up, glide up, up, glide up, glide up. Cool? So you want to go swipe up, 4 times. Levels, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Now you want to add your hands, so it's a down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Cool? Now the next thing you want to do from here is to roll Now this movement from here, this movement is step, bring it back, step, bring it back. So it's a rolling. You can either do this. For me personally, I do rolling and this one. So let's try it. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and let's stop there. You guys got the other one on lockdown. I hope you guys got that on lockdown. Like I said before, if it's too fast for you, you can reduce the speed and learn it properly. This is mirrored, so if I'm doing this, you should be doing this as well. Cool? So this is, you just finish this one. You want to glide 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, drop on 8, go back on 1, tap 3 and 4, step and back. Let's try that again. 5, 6, 7, go. Where was that? Okay, we'll just end it up this and this. Cool? Again. Let's go. So, it's a pull back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Cool? With the song. Let's go. So we just finished this, this and that up. You pulled up. The next thing you want to do is tuck the tuck. So you want to go hands, your left hand on your, wrapping your body. So you want to go, your legs, your legs are going to do this. Ha, ta, ta. That's a count. So knees, left leg goes into a bevel, bend it, switch. That's how it is. This. Cool, let's try it. So it goes 1 and 2. Did you get it? So 1 and 2. So when the left leg goes on 1 first, the hand goes tuck. So it is tuck, the tuck. Are we cool? Let's try it. Tuck, the tuck. You want to still repeat it, and you want to go walk, the walk. Now, I know it's going to get a little confusing. This is it. Your left leg starts tuck, the tuck. You end on your left. When you want to go on walk, the walk, your right leg starts it. So it is walk, the walk. And then from here, you want to bring your left leg out, and then your right hand goes up. So it goes tonight. There's a beat that goes down, so your hand is going to go ha ha. The same beat that goes this. Cool, so it is walk, the walk. Sorry, talk, the talk. Walk, the walk. Tonight, these has. Tonight, done. And then you're going to switch and do whatever you want. I keep doing this because we don't need permission to dance. Now I'm going to do this whole routine from the beginning to this part with the song. Let's do it. Ready, let's go! When you look yourself right in the eye, I wanna dance, the music's got me going, nothing I can stop how we move. Yeah, let's make a place and reach us up the golden and rolling like a dancing fools. We don't need to worry, just when we know we know how to dance. Don't need to talk, just walk the walk tonight. this whole routine, the sign dances. Cool? So, the first one, I see people doing this. Now, this is how it is. It's like you want to do the sign, right? But your hands are not like too close to your palm. So, march to go, step to your right leg. So you want to go step. This is how your body angle is supposed to look like. So, step, back. Okay, let's move like we are in the choir. Oh, yeah. That's it. So 1 and 2. Your hand keeps going this. It keeps doing this. So this, but just twice. Are we good? So 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Very simple. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Here you want to step up. Step on your right. On your right leg, so you want to go step and step, out and out. So everything basically starts from your right side. Cool. So 5, 6, 7, go. Da na 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 na, boom. Da na na da da da. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's try it again. 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. All good? That's the song. Let's go. Are you ready? 'Cause we don't need permission to dance. We don't need permission to dance. So, now we're going to put everything together from the beginning to the end. Listen, Permission to Dance is such a happy song, so you don't even want to be frowning your face for no reason whatsoever. Yeah? One little correction. When you do this, make sure that it's a happy jump. So you don't want to be, like you can do whichever way you want to do it, but make sure the jump is a happy jump, right? So make sure you keep smiling throughout this routine because, like, are you playing? BTS didn't do this for you to be frowning. Excuse me. Let's go. 5, hey, the end of this tutorial. I hope you guys got this on lockdown. Make sure when you learn and you do the routine and you post a video, make sure to tag KCC Nigeria on Instagram. The link is down below to follow the Instagram and all social media handles that we have. So good luck to you guys fighting.